Hey guys, it's me, Blake. Mom, you let me know if the camera stops, because it always does that with storage and everything, so you might need to watch it. Hey guys, it's me, Blake, back with another animatronic unboxing. Today we got Bog the Zombie from Spirit Halloween. Pause the video if you want to, and you could read his story. I'll wait a second so you can pause it. Alright. We're gonna get straight to the unboxing. That's what I've been waiting for. Just the unboxing part of this. Alright guys, it looks like we got a lot to unpack here. We're gonna do it like how normal people do it and just tip it all over and pour it all out. No, we could just take it out because it's not like one of those huge animatronics that you have to do that with. Paul's his ginormous fingers, hands. We've got a bone. I guess that's what you call a bonehead. That's a stupid joke. Foam. Clothing. That's a big bag of clothing. This is a big boy. So we're going to... I'm going to figure out how to... That's its head. So... How do I... No, that can break it. I might as well just start unpacking things before we get to the head and the other stuff, the other interesting, cool stuff that y'all want to see. We'll get to that in a second. We just got to get through all this other stuff first. Hit base. And guys, let me know if you want me to keep making videos like this, because I will. I'll do more horror unboxings like this. Just let me know. This is Bait. Hey Mom, did the recording stop or?
No.
Is it still going? Okay. Sorry about that, guys. Just my phone sometimes wants to stop recording during the middle of stuff. Because it says I don't have enough gigabytes on my phone or more phone storage needed. So, we got his adapter, instructions. That's a pretty cool instructions manual. We'll start with the instructions and everything. Oh. Probably should have set that stuff on the floor. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna speed run this. And go fast as I can and stick all this on the floor. It's probably what I should have done. Because I know as soon as it's going to pile up, it's going to fall. And that's not going to be good. Alright. Clothing. Hands and bone. Alright. Did we get his head yet? No. I'm gonna try to figure out how to get all this. Oh, okay. I'll do the sliding technique now, since we already pulled most of it out. I should have done this at the beginning. Dang, he's in here good. Oh God. We got the beautiful head, which I'll save over here, which we'll look at in a second, but you gotta take all this other stuff out. Oh, look at this, Mom. weird looking mechanism. I'm gonna set this over here. Lay that down. And then he got his main control box right here. Oh jeez, how do I get this out? Hang on. I'm gonna have to do a little bit of rip and tear. Incredible Hulk it. Oh, there we go. And then the sensor. Oh crap, Mom, I forgot the try me button. Do you know how to merge videos into two on YouTube?
You get an app to do it before you upload it to YouTube.
Maybe you could help me. I'll stop the recording and then I'll go up to Grandma's.